Okay, language explorers, let's look at today's noun, 100. 100. 100, yes. So, 99 plus 1, yeah? 50 times 2, yeah. 100. Very good. Nice. We have 100 plans, 100 ideas. I need 100 ideas. I have hundreds of videos to record. Yeah, I have hundreds of ideas, and I have hundreds of videos like this to record. Hundreds. Yes, there must be hundreds of them. I can see loads. There must be hundreds of people. There must be hundreds of people at the party. Hundreds. So 100 is singular, 1. And hundreds, 2 plus. Plural, hundreds of people, hundreds of ideas, hundreds of cars, hundreds of times, hundreds of books, hundreds of words. I can write hundreds of words a day. I can write hundreds of words a day. Yeah. How cool is that? And I have hundreds of ideas for lessons. Yeah. How cool is that? So, the managers wanted 100 made. Just 100. Or 800. 100 or 800. 100 will be made and delivered. Made and delivered. Are we making the last or the latest 100 now? See, the latest 100. I have got more to make. This is just the latest or the newest 100 that I have just made, written. Yeah. I've got plans to record hundreds more videos like this. Oh, hundreds of videos. It will take me weeks to record all the hundreds of videos. Oh yeah. It'll take me a while. But how cool is that? Yeah. Yeah, so there are plans to build 100 machines. 100 machines. So to expand the business, I will need around 100 new machines in the factory. Yes, each of them can make hundreds of things every day or all the time. Hundreds of widgets, tools, spanners, screwdrivers, every day. Yes, every day, all the time. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Yeah, how cool is that? Yeah, 100. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Yes, so can you use 100 in a sentence? Can you write your own sentence with 100 in it? Yeah, comment below. Write it in the comments below. And subscribe to the channel. More videos, lessons to come. You can find me on Facebook, YouTube and Telegram. Just search English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy. Just search Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.